नमस्ते दोस्तों, ये नई वीडियो में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। और I wanted to say my health became so bad and I got ill this 1-2 days. I think it's like corona because only my lungs are infectious and nothing else. I'm a little bit feeling weak also. So what happened? Definitely you watched our previous video that they were robbing our money in petrol pump. So instead of 500 rupees, they said as a penalty we will give you
As
1,000.
compensation, we are given 1,000 rupees.
Yeah. So because we did mistake and this thing, but we never accepted any extra money from anyone till now. I don't know. That time was 12 a.m. and
we didn't
our
understand
mind,
anything.
our mind was not there. Our mind was just there, like we have to get our right.
Money,
So once we came home, we were just discussing with each other, and we are like, why we didn't even say anything there? Why we accepted 1,000 rupees? Because 500 is not for us. So it's not good to take even 1 rupees, which is not for us.
Even from childhood, I never took extra money from anyone.
I
Even
also.
one time, that shopkeeper give extra 10 rupees by mistake. I used to go back and I used to give him.
I also same.
My parents used to laugh on me.
Even I remember in my childhood 1-2 time I saw robbery of shop and I said to owner of shop like, this
Someone
woman
robbed,
now I saw she took something. Then they were saying to me thank you so much and this thing. So anyways, I don't know, both of us that time were not even, our mind was off because it was midnight, we were scared also what will happen and all. We didn't think anything like what we are doing and what is happening. So after that, once we came back home, we are like, why we did this and all. Anyways, I was thinking, means we were discussing with each other, should we give the money back to them because by themselves they gave the money. It's not like they don't know. No, it's not like
also.
that also. Plus, it's not like they didn't understand. They gave extra, like they
said
counted
as a compensation
Yeah.
we give, and they said sorry and I will remove that person from job and this thing you're saying. I said don't remove him from job. I just say something to him or be careful from next time.
So we were thinking, like, should we buy some food for street dogs and cats, or to give to poor people, like by buying something for them, like notebook and pen for children. But at same time, we were thinking like, anyways, we should have not accepted this money. It's not our money
It's not
to
our money.
decide to like buy
What to
something
do,
for children or not.
even if they scam or whatever they did, it's not our
Means
money.
we should have not accepted.
Accepted. So we did mistake there.
Yeah.
But that time our mind was
Our
not
mind was
working.
not working. So anyways, we were thinking like, should we do this or should we give them the money back and maybe they will understand from here. I don't know. Everyone is deciding for their life. They want to rob or they don't want. But anyways, maybe now whenever, because we decided to give the money back. So I was thinking maybe if we say like we believe in karma, that's why we came to give this money back. Maybe 1 second they will think like, okay, we are not those type of people that for money we will be like khamush, silent, and we will not share details of their company and their place and all these things. So if they robbed us, we don't want to be same now. That's why I thought this money is not for us. We have to give back, means as we discussed with each other, and we are going to give it back to them tonight actually. So we will record there for you guys. Be with us.
So guys, पुणे में वेदर बहुत चेंज हो रहा है, अभी बहुत ठंडी हो गई है, इसकी वजह से भी मतलब शायद बेटा को इन्फेक्शन हुआ होगा.
I don't
और
know.
मुझे भी मतलब
My
मुझे
friend
ऐसा-
also got. I think
her
dust
friend also
also.
got infection.
So much dust is
Means
there.
the infection is starting from sardi and cough, then it's going to your chest.
Directly, it's like corona. You are
So be careful, don't eat anything from outside and this thing.
Yeah.
So because of Bita, I was like, I want to eat pani puri. I was saying no, we don't know it's clean or not. Now she got
So
ill.
I don't know. It's
now
from
I am
dust
also
or
feeling
from
a bit
pani
weak.
puri. Yeah.
Also weather became so different. It was few days ago it was raining. Then suddenly it was so hot in the afternoon. Now it became cold. So that's why also people get ill.
Anyways, let's go, guys. Be with us and see what will happen.
Okay.
I just want to see what is the reaction. We will record.
I don't think they will react anything. We'll just because whatever I understood from people, we'll just give money. We'll say it's not our money and this thing. And I don't think they will change. But I hope they will change.
I hope
but I
at
don't
least,
have any
yeah.
expectation from anyone, right? Like.
Anyways, we have to do whatever is right. So
I think we did wrong thing. We took 500 rupees extra and we are giving back. So that is the point.
let's go.
Okay, let's go.
So
guys.
I don't know why this song is so much in my mind. Wait. Light. Wait. जिक्रे जुबान में दू है, हर एक बयान में दू है, दिल है मकान है तू है नशा में ना 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 ना.
Just imagine your voice is going outside. You're really.
दूबा दम देसने ना ना ना.
So guys अभी जा रहे हैं और बेटा क्या बोल रहे हैं पता है क्या अभी? चलो मोमोज खाते हैं. क्या ही बोलूं मैं? बोले कि मोमोज से कुछ नहीं होगा.
क्या मैं बोलूं? सुना क्या मैं What?
आती क्या खंडाला. That is different song. You're mixing.
See guys, as I told you that I got ill, now it's like 3-4 days I am thinking to say bad words to that Pani Puri shop. Because of him this happened. Or should I say bad words to myself?
Okay.
That
You
I
were.
ate Pani Puri from random shop. Even when I tasted first one, I was feeling this Pani Puri is tasting like water of Jube. In Farsi, Jube is that what they say near road.
Nala.
That water,
Nala.
Nala. So I was tasting water of Nala.
But there she was saying it's good.
There I was thinking like, is it different taste? Means why the taste of Pani Puri is different? Anyways, I was thinking like, should I say bad words to me or to him?
Turn on light also.
Okay.
So guys चलते हैं अभी.
Chalo.
So
So
guys,
we'll not show this petrol competition. But
I don't want to show people also because it's their privacy. But
Yeah.
we are giving money back and we'll go
just
back.
reached. So much traffic was there.
So
Like,
much traffic because Sunday
so
na.
crazy. And that one guy was yelling on me. He's like, why you are coming here? Why you are coming front? Because we wanted to go front and everyone wanted to go right side, left side. But I was not doing the bad driving. They were doing nonsense.
It's okay.
Anyways, let's go.
Let's go.
I wanted to say we just gave the money back. And that guy was a little bit shocked, nah?
He was shocked
He was
how we are
shocked.
giving.
So Bhagwan was saying that day we came and they gave us 500 extra. So we thought to give back because it's not our money. Then he was saying, no. We put fine on that guy. So take this money. We already gave you.
He was saying put in temple. I said you put. I mean, we will put ourselves. Means we have money.
So you didn't say like we were thinking to
I
give food.
said ki I thought starting ki we will buy something and give to poor people. Then I said ki we have money. We will buy from our money and we will pay.
But it's not better to give to poor people instead of putting in temple.
It's okay.
Anyways.
Everyone have different beliefs.
Anyways, we said it's not our money. Give it, take it back, and we gave back, and we just came to eat momos.
Beta is not controlling
And
herself.
this is the pani puri. Last time I think I got food poison from it.
Should I show?
Yeah.
No way, let's go.
So many people are eating.
It's okay. So guys, we
So
bought
guys-
momos.
Yeah, and I wanted to say one thing. I just remembered.
No, it's okay. Don't turn on. Okay.
Wait, I just remembered. One cartoon was there in our childhood. We used to see Panda, Kung Fu car, that Kung Fu Panda. They say, I think. So he also used to eat this food, but I didn't know that in India is there. I used to think it's like Chinese food and this thing.
So you know when Kaku is there in front of our house, she say this one is same like modak, but it's not sweet. Because modak is sweet. Shape is so similar. See, it's like modak only.
Yeah, it's so similar. I remember I was starting when I tried this food. Before eating, I was thinking something sweet they will give me. Because modak before that I ate. Then I ate, I was like, oh, this is food. I was shocked. It's tasty. And when you are ill, you just feel to eat something tasty.
Nonsense thing you want to eat.
Now I want pani puri.
So nonsense. I am telling her don't eat momos, and this is like no momos. It's okay. Pani puri also you are saying now?
Not from here. Overall, I'm saying. My stomach is craving for pani puri.
You will not get better if you eat nonsense things again better. So guys, we did our work. We are going back now. I am also feeling a bit different. I also want to sleep. I want to go and sleep.
And the guy who robbed our money also was here.
He's here. He's working, still working. So let them do whatever they want to do. I don't think they will change. Anyone will change. But we did our work. It's okay.
Let's go.
Let's go. Bye. Take care.
Bye.
Also, Kokon, we wanted to go on Monday, but Bita's health became खराब और मेरे भी थोड़ी health खराब हो रही है अभी. तो हम Thursday जाने वाले हैं अभी कोकन को.
After 3-4 days.
हाँ. फिर दिखाएंगे आपको कोकन कैसा है.
देखते. Bye bye.
Bye. Please don't forget to
like, share, subscribe. And eat more momos. मत भूलना.
So guys, पता है क्या, जब हम वापस आ रहे थे हमने देखा जो लड़के ने हम पे स्कैम किया था ना, वो वहाँ पे ही है अभी भी, मतलब काम कर रहा है. तो उनने निकाला नहीं, लेकिन वो बोल रहा था कि हमने उस पे फाइन डाला है, ये वो बोल रहा था. He was watching us. We also were watching him. He was saying कि I swear is money. That day he was saying ना कि I swear ये पैसा मुझे नहीं आने वाला, मैं क्यों झूठ बोलूंगा आपको, खुदा भगवान की कसम, मतलब मराठी देवा शपथ मंत होता है, ऐसा बोल रहा था. देखो ऐसे लोग हैं, क्या ही करे, अभी जाने दो.
I hope at least whatever we did, little bit will make them think.
Right indicator show and go on from main road.
From here?
Don't go so much right because it's two way. Here you have to go that main road. Right.
This much, right?
I think there's traffic is there, no? So guys, तो चलो जाते हैं अभी. हमने हमारा काम कर दिया, अभी उनकी मर्जी जो करना है करे वो. और guys क्या है, मतलब someone was saying on Instagram, we are saying bad things about India. We just showed what happened to us. So,
we are just showing our life.
Our life, what happened to us.
Good or bad is happening, whatever it is.
So,
plus, if something like this is defaming India and showing it
as a bad,
then we are also living in India now. Everyone from themselves should start changing. If I change, if Bhagwan change, surrounded by us, people change. Then everyone will change.
I pushed.
How in Dubai and some good countries, I'm not saying Iran also is so good. Iran also robbery happens a lot. But I'm saying if system is good, if people are good, people understand that they should not rob money of each other one by one personally, then it will be like whole people.
तो मैं बोल रहा था कि मैंने स्टोरी डाली थी इंस्टाग्राम पे और हमारा जो यूट्यूब पे वीडियो उसकी लिंक डाली थी, तो बहुत सारे लोग मुझे रिप्लाई कर रहे थे कि इतना ही प्रॉब्लम है तो ईरान जाके रह लो. People saying if this much problem you have, go and stay in Iran.
I think people, I'm just saying,
don't defame India.
No,
you are saying nonsense things about India.
People who are saying like this, they are the robbers. Because if something, it's not about where, we are not showing keys. See guys, in India it's like this and this. We are just saying these things are happening.
These things are happening.
In Iran, if it's in India, if it's in Europe, no difference of location. But if you are supporting whatever is happening, then you should adopt yourself. That maybe you are also robbing others.
तो हमने हमारा काम कर दिया गाइस, तो चलो अभी जाते हैं, खाना खाते हैं और सो जाते हैं, क्योंकि मुझे भी लग रहा है कि मेरा गला थोड़ा खराब है, कि ये वायरल इन्फेक्शन है ना अभी वेदर चेंज की वजह से, और पता नहीं क्या क्या रीजन है. तो होपफुली सब ठीक हो जाएगा अभी. बाय.